What is the parameter state underscore is underscore tuple in TensorFlow used for? I'm trying to figure out the structure of TensorFlow code, R0.11, and have problems understanding the state underscore is underscore tuple parameter used in RNNs, currently looking at lstms. In this post, how do I set TensorFlow RNN state when state underscore is underscore tuple equals true? It is said that the state underscore is underscore tuple option sets whether the state of the hidden neurons and the cell state are saved in a tuple or not. So my questions are, why does this parameter exist? What is it used for and why should I bother? In what cases should I set it to true/false? Thanks for helping.
This is a change to an earlier implementation of the RNN_cell class in which state was a concatenation of the hidden neurons and the cell state. In I think release 0.11 this was changed to a preferred version of hidden neurons, cell state, thus as a tuple. In the future the old concatenation way will be deprecated. Until then default is concatenation, but if you already use the tuple way then state underscore is underscore tuple needs to be set to true.
If you want to see more, please click the